the Madman here with this week's Car of the Week. There's 2016 SSV Redline and a 6.2 V8 engine with a whopping 408 horsepower. Check out this bad boy.
Push button start with keyless entry, rear view camera with rear parking sensors, sat nav, head up display, Bluetooth connectivity with voice recognition.
Call Madman.
Calling Madman Motors.
19-inch alloys, front and rear Brembo brakes.
Remember guys, every Madman Car of the Week comes with a 3-year warranty, a full tank of fuel and a $500 Visa card.
Become a part of Australian driving history, the General's finest.
Madman Motors! Sir!